I see Dad from here.
What?
I see Dad. Over there. Waiting on the dude to come down. Here he is. How was it, Rowan? You want to do it again? Okay. Here you go. Here he is. Rowan, maybe next time we come to the Great Wolf Lodge, I'll join you on that ride, okay? Let's go find your brother. My battery's already at 70.
Sorry. I'm gonna go to the next one.
He is where the bucket is. You want me to go down there and go underwater?
Yeah, let's do it. So get to it. Stay there for 24 hours. Stay there. So did he write in the comments?
So me and Rowan went down 2 slides, but he went down the belly one twice. Yeah.
The belly one?
Yeah. I told him maybe the next time we come to Great Wolf Lodge, I'll go down with him. Maybe. It kind of freaks me out, so I haven't. Yeah, I went down it once in the Great Escape, and water got all over my face, and I my butterflies in my stomach went as I went down the drop, and I'm like, Do you want to get out and go get Zai? Or do you want to go again? You want to go to that water slide?
I want to go.
There he goes! That's a dude! What? Woo!
I'm floating! So your ball got stuck!
Again. Hey, I want to try. Go, give it away.
Daddy, look! Daddy, look! I'm floating! Okay, guys. Like, look at these dudes. They're trying to get the hoop to go. Oh, turn off. So you say it to go underwater? Yeah, that's what I basically did.
The lily pads are closer. Zai, you gotta wait. You might have to help him. You gotta wait until your brother's done.
I'm never going there.
It's because you need a life jacket.
What do you want to do, my guy? They're going down slides. Hey.
You see Daddy's holding the camera. Now I'm holding my camera now. It's not everyone's, it's mine. So, that was a great wave. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Are you okay? Stay underwater. Nice. Was my hair curly? Put it in the comments if you did. And I'll be so happy. If you subscribe, you'll get a shout